How to change Live 360 profile picture. First of all, launch Live 360 app on Android and make sure that you log in or sign into your account and proceed towards the location section where you can see the gear icon at top left corner. Tap on it and access settings. Now, once you reach on the section, you need to come across Universal Settings section. Tap on Account. Here at the top, you can easily see your profile. Tap on your profile. And now you can see your profile picture. Tap on the camera icon on it. Select that. And here you will get the two options. You can easily choose the picture from camera or gallery. So let's choose gallery. Once you have selected an image, you can easily crop it and adjust the image. And now tap on the arrow at top left corner. Now tap on the save button at top right corner of your screen. And with that, you will successfully change profile picture on Live 360. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.